Welcome back, guys, again. This is Tenta Channel, and today we are having an amazing fun day with Skylanta, the one Skylanta.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You are very much welcome, and today we are only talking food. It's made good food.
Wow.
Yeah, man. Go to the Katale, get some food, come here to whip up something for us, and it's going to be massive. Enjoy the rest of the video. A market, like a wholesale market, and they have all kinds of fresh, anything you want, food related, fresh from the garden to that very market called Koranoria. In the literal sense of the meaning, it means workers you eat, Koranoria. It is a rough road heading to Koranoria, and one of the places you encounter is this dumping site. So this is where the whole of Mbarara throws their garbage. Everything you throw away Mbarara Munange, it ends up in this place. So it is run by the city council, and there's an abattoir as well. This is where they kill goats, cows, pigs I don't know, but yeah, that's where they lose their life. I am chilling with Tenta today. We found these people struggling with the car. Times are hard on a sunshine like this. Others are playing football, others are suffering. So it is an eco world, which is quite an eco. And here we are. So here, as early as 5 a.m, it is always open, and every fresh produce coming from different parts of Western Uganda ends up here. And also this is where people from Kampala, those who come to pick food, they pick and take that side. Cassava is one of the things we are buying today. We need some fruits as well, so we end up at this watermelon hanger. Tenta first has to taste before he buys. Here we are, and the amazing part is that you can get these small bananas which are really sweet, very very sweet. Here we have matoke, we have some watermelon, pineapple, carrots, nyanya, literally everything we needed, we got it. And this is charity, baby. Today she's helping us with the amazing meal. Here we have Irish potatoes dipped in cooking oil, and other Irish potatoes dipped in meat. It doesn't get better than this. For an African meal like this, you can't miss posho. Kaunga is very important. So we put the ugali on top of the matoke, kwegamba, so we can get the aroma coming from down. Chapati is like a prostitute. It can fit anywhere you want to eat it. Anywhere you want to eat it, it fits perfectly. So today we decided to have some chapati as well. It is quite hot here, so expect people to be sweating. So we decided to have some snack because we can't wait for evening. Charity was like, let me give you some little something to keep you going as you wait for the bigger meal in the afternoon or in the darkness. Okay. Are you confused the snake?
Yo. As they confuse the snakes.
Wow. appetizer is a chapati. Imagine.
Wow. Imagine eating a chapati with this.
What is a party without alcohol? Yeah, so someone sent us a crate of beer, and guess what? We shall drink it tonight. So nothing much was taking place, so we decided to be there, chill, drink a few beers as we waited for evening to come. So we had a few board games, Ludo, cards, and of course gossiping. What is an event without gossipers? It was well lit, as if romantic but not romantic, because we are just friends having fun.
Wanaotaka bia.
Yeah, that is Dennis Kanave. You know.
Nina bora ya wade mu kiyungu. So bolaba ngeze totya.
Yeah, man.
Ndiya bulungi.
That is.
Lokona